Imagine this. It's a quiet summer night in 1977. Astronomers are scanning the vast emptiness of space, hoping to catch a whisper from the cosmos. And then, it happens. A signal so powerful, so unique, that it shook the scientific world. A signal that might have come from aliens. But here's the twist, it only lasted for 72 seconds. And it never happened again. What was it? Where did it come from? And could it really be proof of life beyond Earth? Welcome to the mystery of the WOW signal. Stay with me as we uncover this mind-boggling story. The year was 1977. At Ohio State University, a giant radio telescope called the Big Ear was scanning the sky. Its job? To search for radio signals from outer space, signals that could come from intelligent civilizations. For years, it had picked up nothing unusual, until the night of August 15th. That night, a volunteer astronomer named Jerry Amon was analyzing the data collected by the telescope. And that's when he saw a set of numbers and letters that stood out like a beacon. This wasn't random static. It was a structured, powerful signal from deep space. Jerry was so stunned that he circled it on the computer printout and wrote one word beside it: WOW. And just like that, it became known as the WOW signal. Now, here's what made the WOW signal so unique. It wasn't just noise, it had all the characteristics of a signal created by intelligent life. Scientists measure radio waves using something called the signal-to-noise ratio. The WOW signal had a ratio of 30, 1 meaning it was 30 times stronger than the background noise. It was like finding a needle in a haystack, except this needle was glowing neon. And the signal came from a very specific location in the sky near the constellation Sagittarius, close to a group of stars known as M55. But here's the strangest part. It lasted for exactly 72 seconds, and then it was gone. Completely vanished. Scientists tried to detect it again, but they never did. So, where did the signal come from? Was it really aliens? Or was there another explanation? Scientists considered several possibilities. Maybe it was a signal from a man-made satellite, or interference from Earth. But every theory they tested didn't fit. The WOW signal didn't match the frequency of any known satellite, and it wasn't coming from Earth. Some even suggested it could be a natural cosmic event, like a pulsar or a quasar, but those usually create repeating signals. This signal didn't repeat. It was one of a kind. This brings us to the big question. Could it really have been sent by extraterrestrials? Some scientists believe it's possible. If an advanced civilization wanted to communicate across the galaxy, they'd likely use radio waves because they travel far and fast. And the frequency of the WOW signal 1420 MHz is very interesting. It's known as the hydrogen line, a frequency naturally emitted by hydrogen atoms, the most common element in the universe. In other words, it's a universal frequency that intelligent beings might choose to use. But if it was aliens, why did they only send one signal? Was it an accident or a test? And why haven't we heard from them again? These questions remain unanswered to this day. Despite decades of searching, the WOW signal remains a mystery, a tantalizing glimpse of what might be out there. So, what do you think? Was the WOW signal a message from an advanced civilization trying to reach us? Or was it just a cosmic coincidence? One thing's for sure, it reminds us of how vast and mysterious our universe really is. Maybe, somewhere out there, someone is still trying to say hello. Until then, the WOW signal will remain one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of space. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed exploring this mystery, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EnigmaFect for more mind-blowing stories like this one. See you in the next video.